That's the fly mission.
0 feet altitude. 3 feet distance. 7 miles per hour. 99% battery.
Get up and do some focus. Make sure I got good focus before I start. Let's try there. Oh, gotta change the setting. There we go.
$198 feet altitude. 37 feet distance. 3 miles per hour. 95% battery.
Off he goes. It's gonna go down to the water tower and back. I've done this one a couple times. It's flying into a slight breeze. Not too bad. I was gonna go down to the port to check out how iced up it is, but I don't have enough time. I'll do it tomorrow. My son's gonna take the car to work. He's gotta work at Stratton Mountain. The ski resort.
Feet altitude, 1,765 feet distance, 21 miles per hour, 90% battery.
Not a lot of wind. You can see that steam generator back there going straight up. Good sign. I gotta control the camera. Focus looks good.
183 feet altitude, 3,604 feet distance, 24 miles per hour, 86% battery.
It's train tracks. Okay. Text my son back.
$130 feet altitude, 5,473 feet distance, 18 miles per hour, 81% battery.
Don't remember the altitude being that low. It's going back up. Huh. Must have been a dip in one of the waypoints, because it's back up to 150.
145 feet altitude, 6,987 feet distance, 19 miles per hour, 76% battery.
Where's the tower? There it is. The altitude there lower isn't a big deal out here because it's all flat. Good speed. Nice flight.
157 feet altitude, 5,353 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 71% battery.
One of these days I'm going to catch the train. I've only caught a train in flight once. And the only time I caught a train in flight, I did not press the record button.
182 feet altitude, 4,970 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 67% battery.
There is no wind, old glorious. Being still. Now it's turning to come back at me. You can see from we had a lot of rain. After 18 inches of snow, then it rained and melted, so there's like lots of ice puddles out there in the fields. Probably some hood rats down there, but I can't see them.
181
See a lot of hoof prints.
4,483 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 62% battery.
I'll fly right over him and then see him when I'm watching the video on my 4K monitor. Getting chilly. $200 feet.
$208 feet altitude, 2,609 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 59% battery.
I'm getting back in the fucking car. Warm up a little. Damn, Sam.
166 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 55% battery.
There's me down there. Mission's about to end. Pretty good trip.
Mission ended.
Got over half the battery left. This house right here was featured in the local newspaper as the house of the week. Apparently it's for sale. I was looking at the paper and I'm like, that looks pretty familiar. What's up with that? Because I noticed, they said, oh, there's a cemetery. Been there, done that.
255 feet altitude. 122 feet distance. 23 miles per hour. 50% battery.
Nice inside too. Turn around, take a look at it. Yeah, they had some drone shots of it too. I'm thinking, hey, did they take that from me? I don't think they did. Actually, I know they didn't.
Feet altitude. 957 feet distance. 35 miles per hour. 45% battery.
See if we got any rats out here. Turn the nag sound down to 20%, so I shouldn't be annoyed by that till the bitter end. See if we got anybody down here. Don't look like it. My eyes are watery.
Feet altitude. 1,722 feet distance. 18 miles per hour. 38% battery.
In my video a little bit. I gotta be careful here. It's kind of a weird opening.
Feet altitude. 2,950 feet distance. 15 miles per hour. 33% battery.
I gotta get up a little bit. Losing signal. At 30%, I'm gonna do return home. No!
Recording started.
It hit the recording.
Aircraft battery at 25%.
Record button again. That pisses me off. It fucks up my fucking video. It's only a second though. Good long flight. I'll just let it land.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%.
Perfect.
Feet altitude, 5 feet distance, 4 miles per hour. Warning, aircraft battery at 19%, 18% battery.
Trust the equipment. There he is, right in front of me. Landing. Didn't say landing. Anyways, it landed.
Warning, aircraft battery at 15%.
Alright, decent flight. No wind, I love no wind. 18 minutes. D-dub out.